I guess looking a bit broader, what kind of features, I guess, should businesses start to expect, I guess, with AI being adopted and integrated into systems like DocuWare?
So this is always the trickiest
Give us some predictions.
one. Well, I think right now AI is in a perfect position around document classification, reading information within those documents, intelligently routing documents around. What I would not say where AI is in a position for right now is making business decisions. I think you've probably seen it in the news. Apple Intelligence has launched, and the generative AI has started to create false headlines.
Yeah.
Do we really trust that technology to start making our business decisions?
No, not quite yet, I don't think. I mean, I think it would be risky to do so.
And it's absolutely, and DocuWare is very much a people-first product. So we've talked around making people's lives easier. This isn't here to replace people. This is here to assist people and improve the processes that people are involved in automatically anyway.
Yeah, and you want those decision makers within a business, an organization to, I guess, still have control over those certain elements. You want the backbone of the work. You want the boring work to be done by the robot, by the AI, the automation element. And then you want the decision makers within each department to be able to decide whether something gets pushed or authorized. I think you've got to have that control. If you don't, then, essentially what is the need for human beings then?
So I think maybe AI potentially be leveraged more as an advisor to say, look, I believe this is the information, or this is what you're looking for, and then it can provide that kind of content and context, but not necessarily make that decision.
So more for validating and verifying information and perhaps cross-checking against other resources online, that sort of stuff, rather than it perhaps actively creating and pushing out processes or documents or whatever it might be.
Yeah, I'd agree.
Yeah, no, I completely agree with that.